In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore lost Trello boards. If you've ever accidentally closed a board or simply want to revisit an old project, don't worry. I'll guide you through the simple process of getting back those precious boards. Let's start by ensuring you are logged into your Trello account. To do this, open your web browser, head to the Trello homepage and look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and you'll be redirected to a login page. Next, Trello offers a convenient way to sign in using your Google account. Once you click on login, you'll see an option labeled Google. Click on it and select the Google account that's associated with your Trello boards. This is especially helpful if you use multiple accounts as it speeds up the sign-in process. Remember to choose the right account to access the correct boards. Now that you're signed in, it's time to navigate to your boards. Look to the top left corner of the Trello interface where you'll see a button simply labeled Boards. Go ahead and click on it. This will show you a list of your current active boards. However, since we're trying to restore a closed or lost board, what you want to do next is rather specific. To proceed, look for the option called View Closed Boards. This is where Trello keeps any of the boards you've closed in the past. Finding this option is crucial as closed boards are not deleted, they're just hidden from your main view. Click on View Closed Boards and you'll be presented with a list of boards that you've closed previously. Once you're looking at the closed boards, the final step is straightforward. Find the board you want to restore and look for the Reopen button next to it. Click Reopen, and just like that, the board will be restored to your active board list. You will now be able to access it as you normally would, allowing you to pick up right where you left off. It's worth noting that if you're managing multiple workspaces, you may want to double check the workspace name to ensure you're reopening the board in the correct place. This process not only recovers your previously used boards, but also shows how forgiving Trello is when it comes to managing projects seamlessly. And there you have it, the quick and easy method to bring back any Trello board you've lost. It's reassuring to know that your data is never fully gone, just tucked away for safekeeping until you need it again. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Trello with confidence.